If you're that person that after you have left your 9 to 5 job, or after a busy day at work, it could be in your business, and you get home and you are so tired to even work on your side projects, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to actually be productive with your evening, right? After a stressful day at work. Let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do, if you always want to have a productive evening after a stressful work during the day, is to actually have a wind down routine. Let me explain what I mean by that. Okay, the reason why you get home every day, and instead of you to go and do what you plan to do, maybe to prepare the meal for the next day, get your clothes ready for the next day, or make sure that everything you need for the next day is ready, and instead you go to your bed and sleep, or you go and watch movie and doze off from there, is because you don't have a wind down routine. You don't know, like, it's actually normal to have to come home very tired and just want to relax, right? But because you've gone through a lot of stress during your day. But one thing that will help you to actually be productive in the evening when you're back from work is to actually have a routine that will actually energize you when you get home. So this is how to actually have this routine. For example, you get home and instead of you going to bed to sleep or to just lie down and spend hours lying down on your bed, you can just decide to do 2 minutes of exercise. Do some exercise, or you can just go into your bathroom and take a shower, like cold shower, or you can just make a hot tea or a hot coffee for yourself and just take it, like for the first 10 minutes that you're back home from your work or from your business or from anywhere you've gone throughout the day, right? When you do this, it actually energizes you, it calms you down, and it gives you energy to actually do other things you have planned to do for that evening, right? And this will lead me to the next thing. The next thing you have to do to actually make sure that your evening is productive, and that is to always set an evening goal. The truth is, when you don't have a goal for something, you can actually abuse it. When you don't have a goal for your evening, you can just use it anyhow you like. You just decide to sit on the couch and watch movie throughout the evening till it is night time, and you just go to bed, and tomorrow morning you're rushing here and there, trying to do what you should have done the night before, right? So you have to always have an evening goal, and you can actually write down these goals early in the morning, or while you are still in your day job, or while you are still in your day. You can say, okay, when I get home today, I want to wash my clothes, I want to prepare the meal for the next day, I want to make sure my clothes are ironed for the next day, I want to make sure everything that I need to do the next day, I've already done them the night before. So always have a goal written out, because this will actually help you to look forward to your evening. But when you don't have any goal written out, you just get to your room, drop your bag, carry your phone, and watch movie. And I know that I have done this a couple of times. That is why I can relate. So if you're enjoying this video, guys, okay, let's go to the next one. Before I say what I want to say, right? I want to say something. Before I say it, let's go to the next point, which use time blocks for your focus. Okay, the truth is, if you are this person that after your day at your 9 to 5 job, you have a side project you're working on, maybe you have side hustles, you work remotely in the evening, and you know that you are always distracted, everything around you is buzzing, people are going to club, people are playing music, if you want to keep focus, and if you want to actually do what you need to do that evening, then use time block to actually keep your focus. And what's time block? Time blocking simply means blocking out a specific hours of your time for something specific, right? And this will lead me to the fourth point. But before I go to the fourth point, right? If you've been enjoying this video so far, please like this video so that this video can be shared with other people that needs it, right? So the fourth point I'll be talking about that will actually help you to have a productive evening after a stressful day at work or at your business is that you have to create an energizing environment. Like if an environment is one that actually help you to feel tired or feel not ready to maximize your evening, then there is no brainer about it. When you get home, you want to go to bed or you want to Netflix and chill, watch movies and just waste the rest of the evening. But if your environment is energizing enough, everywhere is bright, you are energized, there's music playing in the background, everything is making sense, your room is tidy, your space is tidy, there is no clutter anywhere. It will actually help you to make the most of your evening and be productive. And the next point is to ensure that you do not overdo. Yes, in as much as I'm trying to make you make the most of your evening, become productive, please don't overdo it. Always ensure that even as you're trying to create goals for your evening, try to make sure that your environment is energizing, try to make sure that everything is on point that will help you to maximize your evening. Always make sure that you're not overloading your evening with a lot of things that will actually burn you out. So make sure to know the limits. Make sure to know what you need to put in your evening, what you need to do. Don't overwhelm yourself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.